All right, so for this spicy green juice margarita, that's 420 inspired, we're only gonna need a couple simple ingredients. We're gonna use pineapple juice, this naked green juice, very important, some agave, tahini, a fresh jalapeno, 3 fresh limes, and the star of the show is this nowadays liqueur, but there's no alcohol in it. It's 33 milligrams of THC in the whole bottle and 2 milligrams of THC per serving. So it's perfect for those who don't necessarily partake in 420 activities but want to. If you're not the route and you'd rather a little cocktail and to feel nice and relaxed on a day like today, this is perfect for you. Okay, so first things first when starting any cocktail is I love to decorate the glass first before putting any sort of liquid into the cocktail. So to start off, we're going to take our agave and we are going to just put a little bit in a dish. I don't measure anything, just eyeball it. Usually always turns out great. 15 in the other dish. We're going to take a glass and we are gonna just rim the glass with this agave. I like them to be dramatic, not only aesthetically, but I do really love the tahini with the green juice. I think it is a really nice touch. So just press that in there. Don't be afraid to get in there. Should look something like this. Mine isn't even at all. Whew, okay, I think that's enough agave. Press down that tahini. Yeah. Oopsies. Okay, so get that tahini around. Oh, we have some tahini. Both glasses, tahined up, baby. Mwah. For the next step on decorating the glass, we are going to take 1 lime and our fresh jalapeno that's been washed. Don't worry. We're going to cut it up. So I'm going to just go right down the middle of the lime. Okay. Then we are going to cut again. You want it to make a cylinder shape, not necessarily a wedge when we're decorating this. Boom. So it should be cylinder like this, and we're just going to make a little slit in the bottom of these limes. If you're looking at the actual citrus, I always cut in between the little triangles. It's going to look something like this. We also are going to do the same thing with the jalapeno. We're going to take 2 little slithers of the jalapeno, cut a little slit almost at the bottom, same situation that we just did for the lime. And we are going to put it kind of in front of the lime like that to give it a little bit more dimension to the drink. So again, it should look something kind of like this. Cute. All right, moving on. I just went ahead and I added some ice to our cocktail glasses as well as for a shaker. Now here's the fun part. We are going to take one, I would say the whole thing. We're just going to pour in to the shaker. We're then going to take our lime and make sure you roll it out to get the most juice you can out of any citrus that you use. But we're going to go ahead and do 2 limes. Go ahead and squeeze that into our shaker. I feel like there's nothing better than fresh juice with your cocktail. There's something, especially when the weather gets warm outside, I love fresh fruit with alcohol. We're done with that. So both limes are squeezed in here. We used 1 full naked. We're then going to take some pineapple juice and we're just going to do like a little splash. Now for nowadays, pop this bad boy open. I don't want to be too stoned per se, So we're only going to do 2 servings. That looks good. We're going to go with that one. Hopefully this doesn't mess us up too much. We're going to pop that shaker right on. Shake, 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 shake. I wish I looked cool doing this, but I'm always so scared it's going to fling up in my face and get everywhere. Okay, now that everything has been shook, shaken. Oh, I can't get this off. Uno momento, por favor. Oh my god. Oh, okay, got it. Moment of truth. Let's see how this looks. Woo! Oops, that one's like overflowing. And then, to make it extra pretty or extra spicy, for good measure, I'm going to just put a couple of jalapenos on top of the cocktail. Ooh! Okay. And voila. All right, now for the taste test, let's try this bad boy out, and I'm probably going to go with the more full one. It's probably going to spill everywhere on me when I lift this up. Okay, now we're good. Wow, that is so good. I feel like I'm taking all over my lip. Anyways, you can taste, it's so good, but like it's sticking to my lip gloss. Sorry, lip gloss malfunction. Lip gloss and tahini don't go together, ladies, okay? But you can taste the lime, you taste the green juice, you taste the pineapple. It's spicy, but it's not too spicy. You also don't taste any of the THC. So I feel like this could be dangerous for somebody who doesn't necessarily partake in 420 activities, but this is freaking delicious. Whew. Now this on fire a little bit. Whew. That is it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed making this spicy green juice margarita that is 420 inspired. But I hope everybody is safe today when they are partaking in 420 activities, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers!